Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see why my Gmail is not receiving any emails and how to fix it. So let's get into the video. Once you are into your Gmail account and you're in your Gmail, you have logged in. First of all, check out if you have any spam emails going into your spam section. For that, to check that, click on the more. And here you can see the spam folder. Click on it. As you can see, there is no spam in here. So it means your emails are not going to your spam option. So you're free from that now. And if you're not getting any emails after that now, all you have to do is check your storage or space that you have currently in your Gmail account. So in here you can see I have 4.40 GB of 15 GB used. If you click on it, it will show me the descriptive option of my storage. And here you can see I have used 4.03 GB of 15 GB. And you must check it out if your storage is full. And if that is full, you won't get any emails. You might just want to clean up some space in here. So if you're done with this, you can also go to your inbox and click on the filter option and see if some type of filter is open that is stopping the emails from coming into your inbox. You can just change it, and if that is okay, all you have to do is go to the settings option in the upper right corner of your Gmail and click on see all settings. Here there are several options to change into so that you can receive some emails, something like filters and blocked addresses. If you have blocked some email addresses, then you'll not get any emails from them. Or there might be some other options that is enabled. You might need to disable them so that you can get your emails. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.